There's truly something remarkable happening in our pockets right now. Remember the times when you had to wait in long lines at the bank? Well, now our smartphones have turned into our banks, our credit cards, even our insurance broker. Ever wondered how did that happen? Well, that's all thanks to a revolution called Fintech, or financial technology. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world, exploring how Fintech has transformed our financial lives and what's in the store for future. Fintech, short for financial technology, represents a new frontier in the world of finance. It refers to technology-driven financial services and products, like digital payments, robo-advising, peer-to-peer lending, and of course, cryptocurrency. The rise of fintech isn't just a minor disruption, it's an earthquake shaking the very foundation of the global financial system. In 2021, more than half of the global consumers have used fintech services. Hi, I'm Tasvir, Mirza, and I'm here to update your financial firmware with some fintech insights. If you want to stay updated with the future of finance, hit that like and subscribe button below. Online banking emerged as the first wave of fintech, offering convenience and accessibility in an industry traditionally bound by brick and mortar. Banks like Wells Fargo led the way, providing online banking services as early as 1995. In the early 2000s, the companies like PayPal disrupted the payment industry, making peer-to-peer money transfers simple, easy, and instantaneous, highlighting the potential of technology in the financial services. Fintech started to truly disrupt the financial landscape around 2008 during the global financial crisis. A bitter time for many, yet it gave birth to a new era. As trust in traditional banks plummeted, tech-savvy entrepreneurs saw an opportunity where technology would lead the financial world. The rise of fintech primarily attributed to a series of interconnected factors such as digitalizations, customer needs, regulatory changes, and technological advances. For instance, the introduction of smartphone catalyzed the development of mobile banking and payment apps. Similarly, as millennials and Gen Z started to constitute a significant portion of the consumer base, their preference for digital on-demand services and seamless customer experience pushed the traditional banks to rethink their strategies. From the advent of Bitcoin in 2009, the boom of crowdfunding platforms in the early 2010s, to the rise of neobanks in recent years, each development has played a major role in challenging and reshaping our concept of financial services. Now, if you're wondering what does fintech mean to me, the answer is simple: convenience, speed, and security. Fintech offers simpler, quicker, and more personal solutions to consumers, often at the fraction of the cost of traditional banking. Take mobile banking, for example. No branches, no queues, no paperwork, just your financial world right in your pocket. Consider this. In 2021, there were still 1.7 billion unbanked adults globally, yet 2/3 of them owned a mobile phone that could help them access financial services. Fintech is filling up that gap. You can transfer money internationally in seconds, invest in stocks or cryptocurrency right from your phone, apply for a loan with just a few clicks, or even crowdsource your next startup idea. And it's not just about convenience, but also financial inclusion. For many in underbanked or unbanked regions of the world, fintech offers a path to financial services that were previously inaccessible. M-Pesa, a mobile phone-based money transfer service, has revolutionized the banking in Africa, whereas less than 30% of population has access to traditional banking services. This growth of financial inclusion is one of the most exciting aspects of fintech revolution. As we gaze the future, fintech revolution is far from over. With emerging technology like AI, blockchain, and big data, the possibilities are limitless. There are many different areas of fintech, including online banking. Fintech companies have developed online banking platforms that allows users to access their bank accounts and perform transactions from anywhere in the world. This is a convenient and secure way to manage finances and becoming increasingly popular. AI is empowering new age robo-advisors to provide more sophisticated investment strategies. While chatbots are revolutionizing the customer service in banking, companies like Lemonade are leveraging AI to disrupt the insurance industry, offering lightning-fast claim processing. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront began to offer automated algorithm-based portfolio management advice without the use of human financial partners. Fintech companies have developed a platform that allows individuals to lend money to other individuals without the need of a bank. This is a more efficient and cost-effective way to borrow money and becoming increasingly popular. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper emerged, democratizing access to loans. Fintech companies have developed mobile apps that allows users to make payments with their smartphones. This is a convenient and secure way to pay for goods and services, and it's becoming increasingly popular. But perhaps the most prominent change was the shift towards cashless society. Mobile payment solutions like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Alipay became the way of life for millions. Blockchain is providing the foundation for decentralizing finances, or DeFi. a new model that could challenge traditional banking's very existence. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are recognized as legitimate investment assets. Big data is enabling companies to deliver hyper-personalized financial products, driving customer engagement and loyalty. Companies like Zest AI are utilizing machine learning algorithms to make more precise credit decisions. The rise of fintech is having a major impact on the financial services industry. Traditionally, banks are facing increasing competition from fintech companies, and they're being forced to innovate in order to remain competitive. Fintech is also making financial services more accessible to people who have been traditionally underserved by the financial system. With an AI and blockchain technology, fintech promises a secure and transparent financial world. But as with all technologies, it has its challenges. Challenges such as regulatory concerns, privacy issue, and technology adoption may cause hurdles. Here are some of the challenges of fintech. Security. Fintech services are often more vulnerable to cyber attacks than traditional financial services. Regulations. Fintech services are often subject to less regulation than traditional financial services. This can create a competitive advantage for fintech companies, but it can also lead to consumer protection concerns. Legitimacy. Some fintech companies are not legitimate. This can make it difficult for consumers to know which companies to trust. However, with the right approach, these challenges can be navigated successfully. Just as fintech is simplifying finances, you can simply interact with this video by clicking the like and subscribe button below. And leave a comment on how fintech first impacted your day-to-day life. Now, the rise of fintech isn't just reshaping finance, it's revolutionizing our world as we know it. But how can you be a part of this revolution? First and foremost, educate yourself about the latest fintech trends. Stay vigilant about potential scams. Use these technologies wisely to simplify and improve your financial well-being. As we look towards the fintech-fueled future, it's clear that technology has and will continue to play a pivotal role in reshaping our financial lives. The era of traditional banking may be setting, but the dawn of fintech promises a brighter, more inclusive financial future for everyone. There are countless fintech apps and platforms out there that can help you manage your money better, invest smarter, and even start your own business. Remember, this is a fast-moving field, and what we've discussed is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more happening and about to happen. Your interest in fintech and topics like this is our motivation. Show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Or even crowdsource your startup. Similarly, as millennials and Gen Z. Similarly, as millennials and Gen Zs, fintech companies have developed fitness companies. Wow.